Yeah.
How you doing, man?
I'm good. I want to see what's going on around the area.
Oh, she's crazy on the bike, man.
Yeah. All right, here we go. Let's have some fun in the snow.
Hey, I got something to say. I'm just so sick of hearing everyone complain.
This was my first ride of the year. I have planned of riding a few days before. I was hoping that I could do my first ride of the year right on my birthday. Unfortunately, on that day, we had this snowstorm.
Man, I can't even pedal. All right, here we go.
I think the weather was about negative 14 degrees Celsius. It was really sunny but very cold. So don't be fooled by the sun.
Not bad at all. Oh man, it's very slippery.
So much snow everywhere.
I don't have much control.
Many times I tried to avoid the main road and I would go on some sidewalks, but the problem was the snow was everywhere. I was dismounting on and off my bike. It wasn't that easy. Some of the sidewalks were already plowed, but most of them weren't. And I think it took them about 2 or 3 days before they finished clearing all the sidewalks just around our area. And other places still not done until after 5 or 6 days. That's how bad it was. It was very cold but very sweet ride. Seeing people shoveling their driveways, walking their dogs, people were having fun, even when the weather was very cold. Just checking out my neighbors, it wasn't that bad. This is just around my neighborhood. I probably did about 12 kilometers just going around inside our subdivision.
Oh, not to walk.
Here it is. I'm home sweet home. I hope you guys like today's video, my little adventure after the snowstorm.
Okay.
Until next time guys, please don't forget to subscribe. Keep riding, keep smiling. Adios. Thank you for watching.
Hey, I got something to
There's
say.
no way you can pedal.
I'm just so sick of hearing everyone complain.